Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Kia Optima backseat. First, you'll need to access your trunk. Once inside, look towards the top of the trunk opening, near the rear deck. You should find two distinct levers there. These are your seat release mechanisms. Pulling them will disengage the latches, allowing the rear seats to fold down. It's a straightforward process designed for easy cargo access. To find these crucial levers, ensure your trunk is fully open. They are typically small, sometimes black or red, and designed to be easily accessible. You'll usually spot them on the underside of the rear deck or sometimes on the side panels of the trunk, close to where the seat backs meet the trunk space. A quick visual scan should reveal them without much effort. Once you've located the levers, pull them both firmly. You might hear a click as the latches disengage. Then, from the trunk, gently push the seatbacks forward. They should fold down smoothly into the passenger compartment, creating a larger cargo area. When you're done, remember to push them back up until they click securely into place for safety. If your seats aren't folding easily, first check for any items that might be blocking their path. Sometimes, a small object can prevent the latch from releasing. If the levers feel stiff, a little silicone spray on the mechanism can help. And speaking of keeping things fresh, life's too short for a stinky car. Be sure to check the description for a link to this product and other great deals to keep your ride smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.